Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn something more about Linux. So let us get into the class. So the first point is Linux is like a computer's manager. So why I'm writing Linux is like a computer manager because, for example, Linux is what? Linux is an operating system. So what operating system does? The operating system will communicate with the hardware. So likewise, for example, take a manager in the organization. He will talk to the employees and he have to do work by them. Like he have to tell to the employees to do work. So his duty is to tell employees and do work. So likewise, Linux is also an operating system to tell to the hardware to do some work. So it's similar to another manager called Unix. So Linux and Unix is similar. And a second point, in Linux, you give orders in a special window called terminal. So we have a terminal. So in coming classes, I'll show you what is terminal. So in that terminal, you will give some commands. So based upon that commands, some action will perform. So this is like the command prompt on a Windows computer. So in a Windows computer, you will have the command prompt, right? So likewise, in Linux, there will be a terminal. So by using the terminal, we will give some commands, and by giving that command, some action will be performed. So I hope you understand. So the next point, it's important to remember that Linux is very particular about upper and lowercase letters. So uppercase and lowercase is very particular in Linux. For example, if you consider capital F I L E and small f I L E, so in Linux it is different. So this file and this file is different. So case sensitive is nothing but, for example, you say capital F, right? Here small f, right? So case sensitive means the capital file and small letter file is different. So that is the case sensitive. A Linux command is like a task or set of instructions you go to the computer. So you, for example, I have told you the terminal, right? In the terminal, you will give some commands. So those commands are set of instructions. I'm giving some instructions to the computer and computer have to perform some operations. So you type these commands into the terminal. So by using the terminal, you will give some commands. So based upon that commands, some action should be performed. So these commands let you do a lot of things like managing files, like you can manage files and you can connecting to the networks, controlling process and managing users. So how we can do it? So in the upcoming classes, I will tell how we can manage files, connecting networks, controlling process and managing users. So there are over 100 common commands that Linux shares with Unix-like systems. So there are over 100 commands, 100 common commands. So Linux and Unix are similar like systems. So for those who know their way around, Linux commands can be tailored to offer more advanced features. So Linux commands can be tailored to offer more advanced features. So advanced features will be therein we can use by executing the Linux commands. So in simple terms, think of Linux as a powerful tool that lets you control your computer by typing commands into the terminal window. So it is a powerful tool. So that lets you control your computer. You can control your computer by using typing these commands in the terminal window. So you can control your computer by typing some commands in Linux. So it's a bit like using voice commands with virtual assistants. Like for example, take Google. Hey Google, we will say, right? So like that, in the terminal, we will give some commands and computer have to perform some operations. But you're typing and it's a case sensitive. So here we are saying that. So in Google Assistant, we will talk. So there is no mistake. But here in Linux, we are typing, and that too it's case sensitive. Small capital F and small f is different. So be careful in typing. So that's it, friends. So these are the basic important points that we need to follow in Linux while executing commands in Linux. So I hope you like this video. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.